Okay, so how to change language in Poly AI on website. If you're using Poly AI and want to switch the language of the site, I'll show you exactly how to do it quick and easy. So first, open up your browser, Chrome, Edge, or whatever you use, and go to poly.buzz.ai. So make sure you're logged into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Now, look at the top right corner of the page, right next to your profile icon, this one. You'll see a small language button. It'll say something like EN if it's currently set to English. Now, click on that and it will open a drop-down menu showing all the languages that Poly AI supports. From here, just scroll down through the list and choose the language you want. Let's say we want to switch it to Filipino. Just find it in the list and click. And just like that, the whole site instantly switches over. All the menus, buttons, and text are now in Filipino. And basically, that's all there is to it. Super simple. So if ever you need to view the site in a different language, now you know exactly where to go. Hope that helped.